some cabbage on here. The best way to do cabbage is to cut it in quarters. Maybe cut your cabbage in half at first when you're storing it in the refrigerator so you don't waste it. I like to put them in little storage, Rubbermaid type of storage bins that kind of allow air in and out so that they stay fresher longer. You want to keep that core intact again. And when you're doing it, I'm using a number 4, which is like the slicer. That's the one I like to use the best. Some people do like to use the number 2, so it makes it a little bit different. But the slicer is the one when I'm making coleslaw or having cabbage, sauerkraut, that's the one I'm going to use. So I'll just take this one side, keep the leaf down so it has something to catch. You need to have that blade catch something. So, and then I just kind of turn it. If you can see my hands, I'm making sure that my hands, my fingers stay clear. I'm not gonna be going like this. If I go like this, my fingers are gonna be part of our dinner. So, and then I just kind of turn it around. So once I do that, I have the core left. And I always use the core, so I'm gonna put it on the grater. You don't have to do the grater if you like the big hard chunks of the core, but the core will help with your digestion because there are enzymes that help digest cabbage from it. So I'm just gonna use the grater and make sure that I get the core in there. So, and then I'll just do the greens since I'm at it. And then we'll have this, for me, you could make this ahead of time and have it for 3 days in the refrigerator, but the great thing about the food processor is it only takes like 1 minute to cut it up and it's so much better fresh. So cut up what you need. If you only wanted to have this much for a salad to add an extra color, just add this and then put this just like this back in your little fresh pack and get it out tomorrow instead. It's gonna taste so much better. So again, I'm keeping that leaf kind of like down so that there is something for the blade to catch. And then this one, the core is not as thick as the purple, so I just kind of use that. Clean the inside out, and then we have our slaw.